All right. Okay. Good morning, Dad. This is the room. Let me just start from the TV, where the TV is. You see, we put the TV on the wall, and then Mom said she was gonna find me so that the decoder can sit somewhere. But then now we don't have place to put this decoder. So when she bring it at time, then we can install it to put the decoder inside. But we already installed the TV on the wall. You can see the TV. So from here, this is the curtain. So from the other side, and then you can see this is the bed. So this is the other curtain, and then this is the dresser drawer you talk about. You see it? You see it? All these clothes we are still pressing. So we started since Wednesday. We started pressing these clothes. We haven't finished yet. There are some outside there, but then as we pressing, we are bringing it and putting it in here. So I just doing it like this. When Mom comes, then she will know how to pack it. So this is it. You can see. Once again. This is it. So you got more 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's about 12 drawer down there. So you can see it. This is it. Okay, let me take you to the gym. So this is the gym. This is the gym. You can see all inside here. This is the gym. So here, see, this is how it was installed, and this is the massage bed according to them. So and you can see this. This is it. Usually we plug this. And then, so let me put it on. If you were asking me. Okay, yeah, the on button. And this is the dashboard. You see this? For a USB card, you see the clamp. This is it. And this for the music. And this is the key. You see that? So you can see. We started. Still loading. So you can see the time, distance, kilometer, calories, and pulse, implant, speed. These are the options. And then here, you plug the music. This can play the music. We also have Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi here. So you see this. So this is 70. 17, December 17, 2022. This is the time, it's 5:30. In that year. So right now, you see this. Okay. This is it, guys. Just try to show this. Okay. Thank you.